Welcome to my review of EasyPDF, a popular online tool designed to make working with PDF files simple and efficient. EasyPDF offers various features such as converting PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other formats, as well as merging, compressing, and editing PDFs. In this video, I'll take you through the platform's interface, demonstrate how its tools work, and share my personal experience using it. Right off the bat, the website is quite straightforward and user-friendly, with all tools clearly listed on the homepage. You simply click on the tool you want to use, upload your file, and within seconds, the conversion or editing process is completed. There's no need to sign up or download anything, which is definitely convenient. However, there are some limitations. While the conversion tools are mostly reliable, there are occasional formatting issues when converting complex files, especially those with heavy graphics or intricate layouts. The site works best for simpler, text-heavy documents. Another downside is that the speed can be a bit sluggish during peak hours. The tools available are quite diverse, including PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, and vice versa. You can also merge PDFs, split them, and even protect them with passwords. For a free tool, it's impressive how much functionality they offer without asking you to create an account or deal with annoying watermarks. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the overall performance. EasyPDF delivers on what it promises, but it's important to note that the quality of the conversion can vary depending on the complexity of your document. Simpler files with basic text and formatting are handled quite well. But if you're working with highly formatted documents, charts, or images, you might find some discrepancies. As for security, the website claims to delete files from their servers after a few hours, which is reassuring. But if you're working with sensitive or confidential documents, you might want to consider using a more secure paid service. Overall, EasyPDF is a decent tool if you're looking for something quick and easy for basic PDF conversions and edits. But for more advanced features or bulk processing, it might not be the best choice. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. It really helps me out and allows me to keep providing honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.